Welcome, everyone, it is HAMAHA. Today, I'll be building an altcoin portfolio because I expect Bitcoin to start topping out soon. A lot of altcoins are forming some really solid bullish flag patterns right now, so I think it's time to take action and go long. I'll be buying a portfolio straight away. I'll use light leverage, about 1/3, since I don't expect the market to drop more than 30%. I'm going to enter around 20 positions, with a total capital of around $4,500 using isolated margin, third level. Alright, we're flying. Next one. That's two
Yeah, this track is dedicated to all true traders who aren't afraid of risk. Traders, this one's for you. I'm HAMAHA, an ancient crypto trader. When I was trading on NASDAQ, you were still in the womb. When I worked on Wall Street, your mom was pushing your stroller. Today I'm at the traders tournament. White bit lights my way at the tournament. I trade against guys from all over the world, and I'm in first place. All these traders are green, they don't make them like me anymore. HAMAHA's a legend, ask anyone, they've heard of me. People believe I move markets with my forecast and the right. Last night I made stacks on Pepin and rose to the top. Yesterday I was in profit, stayed in the top while the rest collapsed. HAMAHA's in the building, I'm a legend. Today we'll see what these traders are made of. I had the best teachers in the States, 20 years on the market, you can't drink away that experience. Today I'll prove I'm the best and the trophy's coming with me. When I grab the prize I'll take a ton of cash and film a reel for you. Soon in Barcelona Stadium the crowd will scream HAMAHA. And if you really thought you beat me in this tournament, I hate to disappoint but grab a tissue and cry in the corner. This is HAMAHA. Traders come and go but my legend is eternal. Like a Greek myth I worship crypto gods, they give me strength. One day my fans will build me a temple like I'm Hercules. This is HAMAHA, it couldn't have gone any other way. I know the game before it's played.
Hey, hey. Money flows in, HAMAHA's in the game, no limits within. Click, clack, cash on my phone. Lambo roars, who's the king on the throne? Hey, I started with nothing, just a no name. But I knew I'd rise up, know if just when. Schemes on the move, no sleep at night. Crypto NFTs, I scam with pride. People keep dreaming, I sell the dream. Air in a picture, that's my scheme. You thought you'd make it big with me? Sorry bro, but I take the fee. HAMAHA winning, money floods in. Scam is a business, learn how I win. Lambo, Urus, speed and flames. If you're a fool, you lost the game. I'm in Bali, you're stuck at work. I rock Louis V, you flex cheap merch. See my life, it ain't pretend. You sent me cash, thanks my friend. Bitcoin's up, I dropped a tip. I tell you buy, you take the risk. Next day dump, you're left to drown. But I don't care, I'm out of town. HAMAHA's winning, money floods in. Scam is a business, learn how I win. Lambo, Urus, speed and flames. If you're a fool, you lost the game. Hey, hey, money flows in. If you believed, you played yourself, kid. I ain't to blame, you took the shot. HAMAHA wins, and that's the plot. Hey, hey, money flows in. If you believe you played yourself, kid, I ain't to blame, you took the shot. HAMAHA wins, and that's the plot. Hey, money flows in. If you believe you played yourself, kid, I ain't to blame, you took the shot. HAMAHA wins, and that's the plot.
So, I've ended up with 19 positions, each sized around $12,000 to $15,000. Total exposure is roughly $300,000. Now I'm adding the 20th, just need to adjust some BTC allocations. From the looks of it, the U.S. stock market has likely bottomed out. Some assets are bouncing back rapidly, and most equities that dropped have already recovered, possibly signaling no further downside. Overall sentiment is turning positive. The conflict with Iran has cooled off, and on many crypto charts, we're sitting at the lower bounds of established channels. Given these setups, I'm seeing a lot of interesting instruments. If the market does continue in a positive direction, we could very well see either a breakout or at least a retest of the upper bounds of these channels, which is exactly what I'm expecting soon. I'll be setting stop losses a bit later, once the positions start moving. Since I'm using low leverage, a few percent move on 3x isn't critical. If it were 20x or 30x, then sure, no stop loss would be a problem. But in this case, everything is isolated margin, so losing more than what's allocated per trade is pretty unlikely. So that's my current trading setup for today. It might change tomorrow. And a quick reminder, I do have a Telegram channel, and now also a Telegram public group, a real trading forum for serious discussions. You'll hear more about that in the coming days. See you on the crypto markets.